Hello everyone. In a previous session we talked about drop down list in form and group down list in form, and today we are going to continue our form and we are going to talk about text area and field set. This is the text area here. What is the text area? Define a multi-line text input control can hold an unlimited number of characters and often used for comment or reviews. Text area has placeholder, rows, calls, and name attributes. What is the rows and calls attribute is the size of the text area. What is the name attribute? To set the name of the associated data point submitted to the server when the form is submitted, and if you omit name, no data from the text area will be submitted. First, I am going to copy one label here, write a comment, and after that the element for the text area is text area. After that, placeholder, write your comments here, and after that rows, and calls 10, and the name is comment, and close the text area. Refresh the website, see, but we can do like this, 50 to 50. Oh, this is the big rows 10. Oh, this one is better now. Now I'm going to talk about field set. What is field set? To group controls means all the form content we can put in a field set. After form, field set, and finish it here. And then after field set we have to write the legend element to label the group of control. What is the label? I'm going to write register because this form is talking about the registration form, and save. See, like this. This is the form of the registration. Now it is look like the form. You have label, text, and radio button, checkbox, drop down list, group drop down list, and text area here. And you can write it down. A text here, I have a issue. This is enough for today's tutorial. I will continue this subject to my next tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.